If you want to always find free paid Steam games, this is one of the easiest and most reliable methods you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SteamDB to quickly find free promotions, spot games that are free to keep, and claim them before the offer ends. This is a simple trick that can save you a lot of money if you like building your Steam library without paying full price every time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more useful software and gaming tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to steamdb.info. SteamDB is a very popular Steam tracking website that follows price changes, discounts, and promotions in real time. That means it's one of the most reliable places to find out when games become free, even if only for a limited time. Once the site loads, take a moment to look around the homepage so you're familiar with the layout. Now, in the top left corner of the page, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main navigation panel. From here, you'll want to look for the section related to sales or products. Depending on the layout at the time, the exact placement may change slightly, but the option you need is Free Promotions. Click on Free Promotions to open the full list of games and content currently available for free on Steam. When the Free Promotions page opens, you'll see a list of different items with several columns of information. One of the most important columns is the Type column. This is where SteamDB tells you what kind of free offer each item is. What you want to look for are entries labeled Keep. That means the game or item can be claimed and permanently added to your Steam account, as long as you grab it while the promotion is active. Take your time and scan through the list carefully. Some promotions may be free-to-play content, while others may be full games, DLC, or bonus items that are only free for a short window. The key is to focus on the Keep label, because that's the best sign that you can add it to your account without paying. If you want to make the process faster, you can use your browser search or sort through the available entries so you don't miss anything important. Once you find a game or item you want, click the app ID or the Steam icon next to it. This will take you directly to the official Steam store page for that promotion. From there, check the offer details carefully and make sure it still says free. Then simply click Add to Account and follow the prompts to claim it. After that, the game is tied to your Steam library, and you can download it later whenever you want. A few quick tips here. Always double check the promotion end time, because free offers can disappear fast. Also, make sure you are logged into the correct Steam account before claiming anything, especially if you use more than one account. And if you don't see a game listed immediately, keep checking back because SteamDB updates constantly, and new free promotions can appear at any time. This method is great because it removes a lot of the guesswork. Instead of browsing random posts or missing limited time deals, SteamDB gives you a clear and organized way to track what's free right now. It's fast, simple, and very effective once you get used to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.